Good morning, students. So in previous class we are discussing about minors and cofactors of an element as well as adjoint of a square matrix. Okay, today I am going to deal with, let us continue based on adjoint of a square matrix to solve some more problems. Now here problem number 16. If A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, 3 rows 3 columns, then verify that A into adjoint of A is same as adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I, where I is the unit matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now here 3 mark question. First, to prove that A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. First part, this is equal to determinant of A into I anta prove madanu. Conversely, adjoint of A is into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Okay. Now here first to find out determinant of A. Determinant of A ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, determinant 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3. ಹೌದಾ? Expand plus minus plus. Now expand it. 1 into 1 lies in which row? First row. Which column? First column. Deleting first row, first column, 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply 0 into 3 0. Difference minus 0 into minus 2 0. Minus into minus plus 1. Deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers. 3 into 3 9. Difference minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2. Plus 2 into deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, 3 into 0 0 minus 1 into 0 0. So 0 minus 0 0, 9 plus 2 11, 0 into 2 0, that is 11, which is not equal to 0. Determinant of A 11. Okay. Then to find the adjoint, you know the definition of adjoint of a square matrix. What is that? The transpose of the corresponding cofactors. How many elements are there? 9 elements. So that how many cofactors? 9 cofactors. Now to find one by one cofactor, C11, 1 plus 1 2, 2 is even number plus 1 1 indicate by deleting first row, first column, 4 numbers, 0 minus 2, 0 3 plus expand it. The difference of the cross multiply 0 into 3 0 minus 0 into minus 2 0, that is 0. Next C12, 1 plus 2 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, alternative sign, deleting first row, second column, first row, second column, 3 minus 2 1 3, 3 minus 2 1 3 minus the difference of the cross multiply 9, difference minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, that is minus 11. Next C13, 1 3, 1 plus 3 4, 4 is even number plus deleting first row, third column, first row, third column, 4 numbers, 3 0 1 0 plus 3 into 0 0 minus 1 into 0 0, that is 0. Next C21, 2 plus 1 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, deleting second row, first column, minus 1 2 minus 1 2 0 3 minus the difference of the cross multiply minus 1 into 3 minus 3, difference minus 0 into 2 0 minus into minus plus 3. C22, second row, 2 plus 2 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting second row, second column, second row, second column tegiri 1 2 1 3, 2 cross 2 determinant 1 2 1 3 plus 1 into 3 3, difference minus 1 into 2 2, that is 1. C23, 2 plus 3 5, 5 is odd number, minus deleting second row, third column, 1 minus 1 1 0, 1 minus 1 1 0 minus the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 0 0, difference minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1, that is minus 1. Take third row, C31 plus deleting third row, first column, minus 1 2 minus 1 2 0 minus 2 plus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, difference minus 0 into 2, 0, that is 2. C32. C32. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is odd number, minus, deleting third row, second column, 1, 2, 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3 minus 2. That is minus the difference of the cross multiply, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, difference, 3 2s are 6. That is minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, minus into minus plus 8. C33 plus the difference of the cross multiply, 3 plus 3 6 positive, by deleting third row third column, 4 numbers, 1 minus 1. Okay, next yavadu 3 0. Expand it. The difference of the cross multiply, 1 into 0 0, difference minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3, that minus into minus plus 3, that is 3. These are the cofactors. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactors C11 0, C12 minus 11, C13 0, C21 3, C221, C23 minus 1, C312, C328, C333. It's a transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns, 0 minus 11 0, 3 1 minus 1, 2 8 3. This is adjoint. Now, to prove that A into adjoint of A, therefore, A into adjoint of A is equal to A matrix ಏನಿದೆ 1 minus 1 2, 3 0 minus 2, 1 0 3 A. Adjoint of A matrix ಏನಿದೆ 0 3 2 minus 11 1 8, 0 minus 1 3. Correct? Multiply those two matrices, row by column. 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into minus 11 plus 11, 2 into 0 0. First row by second column, 1 into 3 3, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. First row by third column, 1 into 2 2, minus 1 into 8 minus 8, 2 into 3 6. Take second row by first column, 3 into 0 0, 0 into minus 11 0, minus 2 into 0 0. Second row by second column, 3 into 3 9, 0 into 1 0, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Second row by third column, 3 into 2 6, 0 into 8 0, minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Third row by first column, 1 into 0 0, 0 into minus 11 0, 3 into 0 0. Third row by second column, 1 into 3 3, 0 into 1 0, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Third row by third column, 1 into 2 2, 0 into 8 0, 3 into 3 9 is equal to 11, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 8 minus 6 plus 6 0, 0, 9 plus 2 11, 6 minus 6 0, correct? This is 0, 3 minus 3 0, 9 plus 2 11. This is A into adjoint of A. Okay. ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, therefore A into adjoint of A is equal to, in this matrix, is there any common element? Number ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಕಾಮನ್, ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 11 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. Therefore, A into adjoint of A is equal to 11. 11 number is the value of determinant of A. This is nothing but what? Identity matrix I. Call it as equation 1. First part is over. Second part you can write directly. Similarly, adjoint of A into A is also determinant of A into I. equation 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, it follows that, we conclude that, it follows that A into adjoint of A is same as adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ verify that A into adjoint of A is same as adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Okay, so ಇದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A into I. ಓಕೆ, if A is a square matrix of order n in general, then verify that A into adjoint of A is same as adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I, where I is the unit matrix of order n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಜನರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. Say let A is the matrix. If you take 3 cross 3 matrix in general, say A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay, one matrix to one general. Now to verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Now to find adjoint of A. Again definition of adjoint, transpose of the cofactors, say C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. It's a transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. First column C11, C12, C13. Second column C21, C22, C23. Third column C31, C32, C33. This is transpose. This is adjoint of matrix. Now to find A into adjoint of A. Now A into adjoint of A is equal to A matrix ಏನಿದೆ, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 into adjoint of matrix C11, C21, C31, C12, C22, C32, C13, C23, C33. This is adjoint. Now multiply those two. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, A into adjoint of A is equal to multiply. How to multiply? Multiply row by column. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ A11 corresponding cofactor C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 C13. Next, first row by second column A11 C21 plus A12 C22 plus A13 C23. First row by third column A11 C31 A11 C31 plus A12 C32 plus A13 C33. First row over. Correct? Take second row by first column A21 C11 plus A22 C12 plus A13. Now first row by Second row by first column, A21 C11, A22 C12, A23 C13. Second row by second column, A21 C21, A21 C21 plus A22 C22 plus A23 C23. Second row by third column, A21 C31, A21 C31 plus A22 C32 plus A23 C33. Second row over. Take third row by first column, A31 C11 plus A32 C12 plus A33 C13. Third row by second column, A31 C21, A31 C21 plus A32 C22, A33 C23, A33 C23. Third row by third column, A31 C31, A31 C31 plus A32 C32 plus A33 C33. This is A into adjoint of A. Correct? ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. A into adjoint of A is equal to, as you know that in previous session, as you know the result, here suffix same 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 3. If same suffix is given, so what is the value of A11 C11 A12 C12 A13 C13? Note, what is its value? Its value is, remember, determinant of A. If it is different suffix are given, its value is 0. Again observe it, different suffix 0. Here different suffix 0. Here same suffix 21 21 22 22 23 23. That is determinant of A. Different suffix 0. Third line, different suffix 0. Here different suffix 0. Whereas here same suffix is 31 31 A32 C32 A33 C33. Its value is determinant of A. Right? A into adjoint of A is equal to, what is common? Determinant of A common into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay? So A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A. This is nothing but what? Identity matrix I. Call it as equation 1. Right? Similarly, adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Equation 2. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that A into adjoint of A is same as adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. This is general. So remember, A into adjoint of A is same as adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Okay. Now here, that is most important CET question. CET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು, ಈ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A ಇಂಟು adjoint of A is equal to, ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು? A ಇಂಟು adjoint of A is equal to ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ determinant of A 0 0 0 determinant of A 0 0 0 determinant of A. ಹೌದಾ? Now by taking the determinant on both sides, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ determinant ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Now determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A 0 0 0 determinant of A 0 0 0 determinant of A. ಹೌದಾ? So this implies A in determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to, expand it, property number 8, the product of the elements in the principal diagonals, determinant of A into determinant of A into determinant of A, that is determinant of A whole cube. Now split of the determinant, ಇದನ್ನು determinant split ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, determinant of A into determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A cube. Therefore determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A cube divided by determinant of A, that is determinant of A to the power of 2. If A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 cross 3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, find determinant of adjoint of A. ನೀವು adjoint of A ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ determinant A ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ it takes time. So remember, if it is 3 cross 3 matrix given, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of 2. Because the given matrix is 3 cross 3, one less ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, if the given matrix of order 2 cross 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of 1, that is determinant of A. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. In general determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1 if A is a matrix of order n cross n. Order n ಇದ್ದಾಗ, remember in general the formula determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. If n value is 3 cross 3, put n value 3 minus 1, 2. If the A matrix of order 4 cross 4, then determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n value 4 minus 1, that is determinant of A to the power of 3. In general, remember, if A is a matrix of order n cross n, then determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. Most important, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ determinant of adjoint of A. The formula determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. If the given matrix of order 3 cross 3, put n is equal to 3, that is determinant of A to the power of 3 minus 1, that is determinant of A to the power of 2. In general, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. ಓಕೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, concept is inverse of a square matrix. Now define inverse of a square matrix. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, adjoint of matrix ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So define inverse of a square matrix. Before defining inverse of a square matrix, you must know the definition of singular and non-singular matrix. Singular and non-singular square matrix. Singular and non-singular square matrix. Now define singular matrix. Remember, a square matrix A is said to be singular. A square matrix A is said to be singular if the condition determinant of A is equal to 0. A square matrix A is said to be singular, its determinant is always 0. Now for example, A is the matrix 1, 2, 2, 4. It is a square matrix. Now to find determinant of A, determinant 1, 2, 2, 4. Expand it. The difference of the cross multiply. 1 into 4, 4. Difference. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So, ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 0 ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the given matrix is said to be singular. Okay. Whereas a square matrix A is said to be A is said to be non-singular matrix. Condition, remember, determinant of A is not equal to 0. The determinant 0 irbardu. Now for example, A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Then determinant of A is equal to determinant 1, 2, 3, 4. Expand the difference of the cross multiply. 1 into 4, 4 difference. 3 2s are 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2, which is not equal to 0. So determinant of A is not equal to 0. Then the matrix A is said to be non-singular. Determinant of A is equal to 0. Then the matrix A is said to be singular. CET question, they may be asked, which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular? Hang identify madbeku. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಇಫ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, then the given matrix is said to be non-singular. Okay, so using the definition of non-singular square matrix, now define inverse of a square matrix. Now define inverse. Look here, if A and B are any two non-singular square matrices having the same order, artha madಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, if A and B are any two non-singular square matrices having the same order, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅವು ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 0 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಟು ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಏನು ಇಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, say AB is equal to BA is equal to identity matrix I. Of course, note that AB is not equal to BA. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Some exceptional cases, if possible, say AB is equal to BA is equal to unit matrix I. If this condition is satisfied, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಟು ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ square matrices having the same order, suppose if possible AB is equal to BA is equal to identity matrix I, if this condition is satisfied, then A and B are called inverses of each other. That is, A is inverse of B as well as B is inverse of A. Mathematically we write A is equal to B inverse and B is equal to A inverse. Okay, if AB is equal to I means A is inverse of B, BA is equal to I means B is inverse of A. Symbolically we write A is equal to B inverse and B is equal to A inverse. Note that AB is equal to BA is equal to identity matrix I. This can be written as A, replace B by A inverse. A inverse similarly is equal to, replace B by A inverse into A is equal to I, and replace A by B inverse, that is B inverse into B is same as B into B inverse is equal to I. Suppose C matrix ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ C into C inverse is same as C inverse into C is equal to I. Okay, note that AB is equal to BA is equal to I can be written as A into A inverse is same as A inverse into A is equal to identity matrix I, as well as B inverse into B is same as B into B inverse is equal to I. Okay, next concept, to find inverse of a inverse of a non-singular square matrix. To find inverse of a non-singular square matrix. Look here, let A be a square matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay, we know that in previous result already verified. What is that? A into adjoint of A is same as adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತಾನೇ ಇದು. Remember that concept. A into adjoint of A is same as adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Right? Since A is non-singular matrix, A matrix ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? Non-singular square matrix. Since A is non-singular square matrix, by definition of non-singular square matrix, determinant of A is not equal to 0. Right? If determinant of A is not equal to 0, so that divide equation 1 by determinant of A. A non-singular matrix ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅದೇ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ 0, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಪಾನ್ 0 ಬಿಕಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಬೈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ determinant of A is not equal to 0. So that divide equation 1 by determinant of A. See what happen? A into divide term by term, adjoint of A divided by determinant of A is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I divided by determinant of A. Cancel. That is I. Correct? Divide term by term by determinant of A. Now clearly it is in the form. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ದಿ ಅಬೋವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅಬೋವ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ A ಇಂಟು A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು A ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು I. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ A ಇಂಟು A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು A ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು I. ವೇರ್ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನು? A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Condition determinant of A is not equal to 0. Remember that formula, or we can write A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the formula for A inverse. Nodri mattili adjoint bantu. You know the definition of adjoint of matrix, transpose of the cofactors. Adjoint ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ. ಆ adjoint ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಇಫ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಎ ಈಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A if A is non-singular matrix. Suppose A is singular matrix. Singular matrix ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ? ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಪಾನ್ 0, ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ನೋಟ್ if A is singular matrix, A is singular matrix, definition of singular, determinant of A is equal to 0, then is it inverse exist or does not exist? A inverse does not exist. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. If it is singular matrix, write directly inverse matrix does not exist. If it is non-singular, then to find adjoint of matrix. ಅದು ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ adjoint ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ A inverse ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು adjoint of matrix ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. Okay, so remember, note that A is singular matrix, A inverse does not exist. If A is non-singular matrix, non-singular ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, inverse matrix exist, then A inverse exist. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂತರ adjoint ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬೈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A ಇಂಟು adjoint ಆಫ್ A. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬೈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A ಇಂಟು adjoint ಆಫ್ A. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ 0 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ adjoint ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, adjoint ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬೈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು adjoint ಆಫ್ ಎ. ನೋಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ A ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. If A is non-singular matrix, inverse matrix exists. Okay, so using the formula for inverse matrix to solve the problems in next class. Okay students, thank you.